Breaking news, my lovely people. Kim Kardashian, she is very devastated. She wasn't like imagining, expecting, seeing Kanye West moving on with his life with a very slim chick from Brazil. So Kanye West, he is now dating a girl from Brazil. So Kim Kardashian, what she did, because right now, Kim Kardashian, it seems as if she is like trying to go back to her man, Kanye West. That's the way it comes across. Yes. Anyway, my people, if you are coming across my channel for the very first beginning, of course, I do react to celebrity news and trending topic. So in today's video, I am going to be reacting to Kim Kardashian. So it seems as if, Kim Kardashian, she is like bothered by Kanye West's new boo, the Brazilian girl. Yes. I saw the girl. She's very beautiful and very tall. Yeah. And I don't know if she lives in, I think she lives in the United States of America. Yeah, I do. I think so. So at this moment, some people are saying that no, Kim Kardashian, she is like finding it very difficult because Kanye West has been playing her so much. Because Kim Kardashian has been praying, she has been praying so hard that hey and Kanye West, they should come together, for the sake of the children. Of course, she has tried also to run around there in the United States of America, making it seem as if she was like happy, in love with Pete Davidson, just to find out Pete Davidson, he wasn't like in love with her. Pete Davidson, he was there after the bag. But of course, Kim Kardashian, she was very smart enough, to be very careful with Pete Davidson, because she knows how, Pete Davidson moves, because it comes across as if, Pete Davidson is like a gold digger, allegedly. I'm not saying that maybe he's like a gold digger. I'm saying that the way he moves, it comes across as if, he's like a gold digger, because he's always like targeting these females who have got money, who are like on a bigger platform. Oh, it could be because of, some people say that he has got the packaging, maybe that's what's like attracting a lot of ladies. Imagine, getting attracted to somebody, who has got the packaging and then he has got no money. Oh, I would rather, go for somebody who has got money rather than going for somebody who has got the packaging. Because what about if you're done doing the stuff? Because you need food. You need money to survive. So at this moment, Kanye West is trying to make Kim Kardashian to become jealous by dating this, Brazilian girl. Yeah, some people on social media, they're even asking themselves, how did Kanye West meet with this lady? Because some people on social media, they're not feeling the relationship. They're thinking that maybe this relationship is forced upon, because we don't see any chemistry between the two, Kanye West and the chick that he recently found. We don't know where he found the girl, or if he found the girl in Paris or in Italy. We don't know, But Kim Kardashian, she is not finding it easily. Because right now, Kim Kardashian, she realized that Kanye West, he's no longer interested, with lady who has got big BBL. So what Kim Kardashian did, knowing that Kanye West is no longer interested in that BBL of his, she met up with some doctors. They started removing those bricks. I'm not sure if Kim Kardashian, she did like, some injection, whatever, to pump those the BBL, or maybe she did like some butt lift, because at this moment she is like trying to become like a slim chick. Yeah, she is now losing all that big BBL of his. Maybe she's trying to compete with the girls that Kanye West is like dating, because she's like always like competing with the girls, because even now on social media, some people were saying that just watch, Kim Kardashian, she is going to start competing with this young girl, because the girl is just like maybe like 24 or 25 years. Just imagine, somebody who has got like a huge amount of money and a huge amount of followers competing with somebody who's just like a younger child. Yeah, because Kim Kardashian is older than the Kanye West's current girlfriend. Anyway, I think she's going to go through a lot, Kim Kardashian, with Kanye West. She has been trying her level best, to reconcile with Kanye West. But Kanye West is like putting her through a lot. Nevertheless, guys, what's your thought with Kim Kardashian trying to get jealous of Kanye West's new current girlfriend? Allegedly. Everything that I just said, allegedly. Leave your comment in the comment section down below, and see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information concerning celebrity news and trending topic. Bye, my lovely people.